The next groups are 2 letters each. So I'm going to do the 3 groups together. That's the H and the K, the I and the J, and the T and the F. So of course, with the first group, the A, M, V, W, and N, because they're 5 letters, that gives us quite a lot to write. So I'll focus on these 3 groups and an associated word for each letter. So note, I always mark off so I know the line height I'm working at. So I've done a variant on the T and the F, so you can use the same variant for both of them, or you can use them slightly differently to add a little bit of interest. So some of these majuscule variations we will be covering in the Copperplate Script 2024 workshop. And of course, one of the things that I'm really focusing on in this workshop is consistency of letter height, consistency of letter shape, and consistency of spacing between the letters for when you're writing words. There are other things to consider, for instance, consistency of shade, because you need to be able to produce the same kind of deposition on the letters where they are at their thickest parts and where they are opening into the thickest parts, getting to the thickest parts, and closing into those thinner parts. So as we move from a tunnel into a funnel and back into a tunnel, how do we keep these shapes to be consistent so that the letters feel nicer, they sort of work together and they're not erratic?